Hey everyone, it's James from FunFoods, and today I'm going to show you how to make your very own Potsticker dipping sauce, both sweet and savory. Now this video is sponsored by Ling Ling, who makes some amazing Asian-inspired dishes you can find in your grocery store, and I'm going to put a link below where you can check out to see where you can get a hold of some. For right now, keep watching and I'll show you step by step how to make this dipping sauce. To make our own dipping sauce, we're going to start off with a medium pan. Now I have this on a hot plate. You can do it on the stove. It doesn't matter. Start off with that, and we're going to add to that 1/3 cup of rice vinegar. Next, we have 4 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of ketchup, and 1 tablespoon of crushed up pineapple. Now we're also going to add 2 teaspoons of soy sauce. Whisk this up and bring it to a boil. So when it comes to a boil, I'm going to reduce my heat down to a lower temperature. And in this bowl, I have 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and I have 4 tablespoons of water. I'm going to add these 2 together before I put them in the bowl. And we can whisk this up. And then add it to our pot. Mix it up. Now you just want to mix this until it's nice and thick. And it doesn't take long, and that's it. I'll turn off my heat. Now that our dipping sauce is nice and thick, I'm just going to transfer it into this pretty dish just because. So if sweet sauce is not your style, you're in luck because I'm going to make a savory sauce as well. And what I have here is a small bowl. I'm going to put 4 tablespoons of soy sauce. Next, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Then 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar. And last to this, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. And just whisk it up. And we also want to put that in a fancy little dipping dish. Now that our sauces are made, what we got to do is we're going to make our pot stickers. Now I'm using these Ling Ling. This one is teriyaki chicken, and this one is chicken and vegetable dumplings. Now we're going to make these. I'm not going to go through the process of showing you how to cook these, but the instructions are quite clear on the back or the side of each package. So let's cook these up and we'll see which sauce goes best with them. So everything's all cooked up. We're going to try out our sauces. We're going to try out our sweet sauce here, our savory sauce, and it came with a sauce as well in the package. So we've cooked up our pot stickers. We're going to try it out, and we also are going to eat this stuff because, wow, I'm going to take a bite of this chicken. Don't judge me. I am no good at using chopsticks, so hopefully, let's see. I'll give you a good laugh anyway. That chicken's amazing. Really good. I can't wait to try everything else, but we have to do the pot stickers, and hopefully I'll be able to pick them up. If you have a technique for using chopsticks, write in the description below. Let me know, because this technique I'm using, not good. All right, so, yeah. I think there are children who can do better than I can. Oh, good, I got it. Maybe. All right, now I have to dip it in there without dropping it. I'm going to try the sweet first. I'm going to dip a little bit in. Get a bit of that sweet sauce. That sweet sauce we made with the teriyaki chicken, really good. Now I'm going to try the savory. That's good as well. It's a bit different. Has that garlic. Now I'm going to try the sauce that came with the package. It's also good. It's very similar to the sauce we have here, it's just not as garlicky. That's good. All right, so now I'm gonna try one of the other ones we made, and if I can pick it up. I hope you're getting a good enough laugh at me trying to pick these things up with chopsticks. This is not going well. Not for me anyway. I am doing really, really bad at this. I need somebody to come over and train me how to use chopsticks, please. All right, I got it. I got it. Now, don't fall. Now we're gonna try our sweet first. Now sweet is real thick, so you really, oh no, I dropped it in there. I hope it, okay, I got it. It's really thick. So the sweet with the chicken and vegetable, I found the best. So the sauce that comes with it is fine, you can do that, but if you want something sweeter, I do suggest making the sweet sauce. I love sweet things, so I'm kind of partial to that. The savory sauce does have a bit too much garlic for me, but some people may like that. And this is absolutely amazing, the chicken anyway. I'm gonna try some of that rice with, and try to get some vegetables in here too. With chopsticks, probably not my best idea. Let's try this. I'm just gonna kind of scoop up a little bit. Oh, this is not good. Here you go. Oh, I got a little bit. Nice. Now I just made this in the microwave. It only took 4 minutes. It was really good. Same with that. Well, thanks everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me make these dipping sauce, the sweet and the savory. I personally enjoyed the sweet better than the savory, but you make it for yourself and you tell me which one you like. Very simple to do. Also, I want to thank Ling Ling who sponsored this video, because without them, I wouldn't have made this. So I'm really happy. If you haven't discovered Ling Ling products yet, go check it out on your supermarket, or you can just follow the link below and it'll tell you which supermarkets sell their products. So for right now, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're not already subscribed, hit that big red subscribe button and check out some of the videos I have off to the side, and until then, I'll see you next time.